Now we saw this bloke fly, but giant ice block versus trampoline equals...
Who knows?
Heron, it got a few views, the bowling ball.
Oh boy, did it ever. 20 million in like 4 days. It's our biggest viewed video ever. It's blown us away, what the heck. We got a serious amount of comments for this guy. They want to see watermelon versus trampoline. You guys want to see ice block versus trampoline. And you guys want to see us jump onto the trampoline for the top. And that's not going to happen, but the other two, we're doing today.
So boys, last time,
Yes, Brett.
I was a believer. And if you're faithful with little things, you're faithful with big things.
Good, yes.
So, I believe 45 meters, both these things will not break the tramp.
You're crazy, Stan.
From any level. That's not what I think.
I strongly disagree.
That weighs 10 kilos.
Yep.
That weighs 28 kilos. The bowling ball was only 5. So there's nearly 6 bowling balls in that.
Sounds like a recipe for faith. So Heron, you're dropping today. What heights are we going?
We're going 15, about 22 and a half, which is halfway, and then straight to the top, 45.
Yeah.
And we're doing the melon first.
Yes.
Now we've got a beanbag.
It's a rescue device for the watermelons. Because you can imagine if they're going to hit the tram
And bounce.
they're safe, right? But not when they hit the ground.
It's a bit of a Hail Mary, but it'd be pretty cool if it works.
Question from me from this level is not where the tramp's going to survive, it's where this big fella's going to survive. Watermelon, are you going to bounce?
Gaunson, is the melon going to survive this drop?
No, it will not.
Well, I think the watermelon will survive, so here we go.
3, 2, 1. Oh, big survive! Oh, oh man!
No!
It survived the trap, but the old rescue device has missed.
Were you hungry?
Yes, I was very hungry.
Is that why you let it hit the ground? Because you knew it bounced pretty good.
That's great. It's a shame I didn't execute with the beanbag.
I reckon it might even survive the next one after seeing that. That's impressive from the watermelon.
So luckily we bought more than one melon. So this week's contest is, what was the total cost of all 4 melons that we bought? 2 decimal places to the exact cent. If you're nearest or correct, we'll pin you. So have a go.
So Stanford,
Yes,
people understand we're doing watermelons first and then we're doing the ice block.
Well, if they didn't, they do now. Well, enough waffling. Although, thumbs up for waffles.
Watermelon number 2. I think it's going to survive.
I'm telling you, like, no, it's definitely not working from there.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Drop it!
Oh, yes! Yes! Oh, no!
The watermelon has got grated on the frame and the springs.
How the heck is the watermelon bouncing?
A good space.
You want to have a seat, Stanford?
Oh, yeah. I'm so glad we had a rescue device. It's flipping 0 for 2.
I'm going to say from halfway it survived. I'm going to give it the whole hog. It's going to survive the 45.
From the top right now, is it surviving?
When do I start saying yes? No, it's not. This is doubling now. We're going in big increments now. We're going 25 to what, 45?
Poor Heron.
Last melon.
Sorry, mate. We didn't take that up to the top for you.
Stop me. I'm sweating. Ah, Debbie.
The 44 Club merch is looking really nice.
Oh yeah.
It's looking ripper even.
Almost to the top.
Doing a giveaway.
We're giving away a free shirt on our merch store.
Because everyone loves a freebie.
Head to our Instagram on the post of the thumbnail of this vid, get involved and you could win a free shirt. How good's that? Scotty, do you mind if I have a go at the beanbag?
You get on that thing.
Rescue mission is on. Here we go.
Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, drop.
What? How? Oh! Oh! How has that happened?
Oh man, that's gone so high. Watermelon, you have survived. Well done. That's flipping amazing.
The watermelon flipping did it.
What the heck? Are you guys seeing that? Like, it survived.
I'm impressed. I really didn't think the watermelon was going to survive early on, and it's proved me wrong.
We've got a special trampoline.
This thing is blessed.
Look, before we get into the ice blocks, I'm going to ask something pretty crazy of you guys, because you've been delivering for me. But I'm going to ask for 500,000 likes. That's 500,000 likes. And we will, seriously, we'll carry a fridge all the way to the top, and we'll throw it off the edge.
The time has arrived, Stanford. It's here.
Big Icy, he's gonna rule the world here.
Yeah, thumbs up for Big Icy.
I don't want to destroy this tramp, but I think it might be gone.
I'm just gonna keep the faith. I'm 2 for 2.
Well, you've got it. The moment you start doubting, we're out of here. We're gone.
Look at that. Count us.
3, 2, 1, go!
Oh! Yes!
What a mad dog!
That has handled it, no dramas. Nearly 30 kilos, and it just bounced up like it was nothing.
That went very high, Scott.
I was very much focusing on my camera angle, but I did see the height. It was immense.
I'm not gonna lie, I was wrong again. I think it's gonna survive from the top now.
Now, I asked a question to all you smart folk out there last week. This week, what the heck is that all about? Why do I have the first half of the ice block freezing where it's like transparent and then it starts to get really cloudy?
Give us answers.
I don't have any explanation to that.
We need to learn. Help us out.
We're about halfway, which is 22.5 meters up. Here we go.
Are you a believer, Scott? Could it survive halfway up?
Oh man, I'm gonna remain speechless. I think.
You're gonna sit on the fence, dude. Look at that fence. It's sharp. You don't want to be on that fence. Get off it.
It's not surviving. I've got to stick to it.
Oh yeah.
There it is. Surely not.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Surely not.
Yes! Oh, and again! Oh.
I'm keeping the faith, and it's coming through, you beauty.
I'm even impressed that the ice blocks just staying in one piece.
That has hit the middle. Do you reckon this guy's very lucky?
Yes! The whole tramp could have gone zing!
Time to head to the top, the final challenge. Mate, trampoline is looking good.
Gaunson, 45 ice block.
Not surviving.
Not surviving.
Not surviving.
Not surviving.
Not freaking surviving.
Not surviving.
Not surviving.
I believe it can bounce.
Oh man, trampoline, you absolute machine.
We've just spent a bit of time digging out the bottom of the trampoline because we reviewed the footage and the last one actually hit the ground, Scott.
Yep, and this time we've probably got another half a metre to maybe even a metre, to be honest. Let's see how we go.
So for this one, we're getting out of the area. It could bounce quite far and high from 45, so we're just gonna clear it right out. Keep it safe, which is important.
All right, Aaron, I think I'm ready.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Here we go. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yes! Yes! How good was that, Scotty? Oh! Yes! I kept the faith and it did it. Big Icy for the win!
Dude, I mean, it survived, yes, but not unscathed. Look at these. They've been stretched, my friend. But largely, I mean, look, if you're gonna bend 3 out of about 100 springs,
well,
you're not the worst off here.
You said it would go through the tramp.
Oh, like a cookie cutter.
And it did not cut any cookies.
Definitely some spring carnage, but it definitely has survived. There's no doubt tramp has survived. So good.
That went so high, that bounce.
Yeah, well, it went as high as you.
I know.
And you were up 15 meters.
I know.
So, Do we just wrap it?
I think so. Boy, oh boy, another video, another trampoline. Great times.
So good. Look, if you've got ideas for things you want us to drop on this, comment them below because clearly we do them.
And we're doing a merch giveaway.
Oh yeah, free shirt on our Instagram. Go head over there, look for the thumbnail pic, get involved. You could win a shirt.
Yep, and remember, I want some scientific explanations.
Oh yeah, make it clearer for Scotty.
Yep, nice one.
Contest answers, get them in. Cost of the 4 melons.
Yep, and also
44 Club.
I believe there could be a fridge coming down if you hit that like button.
500,000 likes and we'll drop a fridge off this thing.
We'll see.
See you next week.
Bye.